Hello, my name is Jonathan, and welcome to my course. If you've always wanted to write a book and share your story with the world, but you aren't sure where to begin, this course will guide you. Just follow along with each step at a comfortable pace, and before you know it, you'll have your finished book released around the world. So let's get started. This course will provide you with the guidance, tools, and the confidence that you need to prepare your own book manuscript and to self-publish it online. All you will need to complete this course is a computer that has internet access and that has the ability to install free software onto it. Even if this is your first time writing a book, rest assured, this course will guide you through every step from start to finish. Before you begin, you'll need 3 things. First, the free word processing software LibreOffice. Second, the free image editing software GIMP. And third, create a free author's account on draft2digital.com. This course will walk you through each step of the formatting and self-publishing process. By the end of the course, you will understand how to write and format your book manuscript, create a simple book cover, self-publish your book to major online retailers, fully utilize the features of the Draft2Digital publishing platform, offer a print-on-demand version of your book, and use the Books to Read marketing tools to help promote your book.